Hey guys, it's Databits here. And the other day I was at this place known as Dollar Tree. And where you're from, you may have a store known as the dollar store or the pound store. And of course, not everything in that store is worth $1. Now, sometimes you find things that are really a good bargain, a really good deal for $1. But I was walking down the aisle and I happened to see the air fresheners. They have all kinds of air fresheners there. But at the bottom of that air freshener rack was this one that looked like a CD. And so I went down a little bit further and there was another place. It was like speaking of a tree, it was almost like a tree strip that was hanging there. And it had a bunch of different air fresheners on it. One of them was very intriguing to me, and that one looks like a compact disc. And how do you make a CD smell like a cherry anyway? So we have the 90s cherry air freshener in there, okay? And if you look at it up close, yeah, that pretty well looks like a compact disc in there, okay? Little 3-inch compact disc. They also had a couple more of them though. They had the 70s ocean air freshener. So it looks like a record, obviously, because vinyl always smells like the ocean. And then the last one in the series that I saw at my particular store was this one, and it is a lemon mint zeros, or the 2000s air freshener, and this one smells like lemon mint. All right, so how do you get a CD to smell like a cherry? Well, we're going to find out, and we're going to find out if that's really a CD in there, in that red or pink ring that you see there on your screen. So let's get started. All right, let's take a look at this 90s cherry compact disc air freshener. Looks like a compact disc. The packaging itself to me looks more like something from the 80s than the 90s, but you know, we won't talk about that. And who makes this thing anyway? So some information up there, directions, and it says it's imported by DTSC Imports, made in China. All right, so let's see how we do here. Take this thing apart. It's got like a plastic backing that comes out to, I guess, keep it protruding in the package. And there she is, the 90s cherry compact disc-ish air freshener. So how do you make plastic and something that looks like a CD smell like cherries? Well, maybe we can peel it apart. See what's in there. Ooh. So sure enough, it looks like the smelly good stuff has been spread onto the back of this CD looking thing. And yeah, it has a pretty rank cherry smell. Kind of smells like cherry cough syrup or something. But what is on this disc? And is it really a CD? So let's take it, pop it into a laptop, and we'll see if it actually reads it. So here's our CD. I have cleaned it up, gotten some of that cherry oil as much as I can off of it, and we're going to go ahead and put it in this CD reader here, DVD reader, and let's see if anything happens. Well, it looks like it's got some kind of Chinese writing on it. Let's take a look. Go ahead and open up my CD drive. Something kind of intriguing. Of course, I can't read the writing there, but whoa, what is this? Mini LED display HID version 10.0. Guys, this air freshener has software on it. Now, I don't know about you, but I did not see an end user license agreement on the outside of that air freshener package. This is just weird. And it's so weird that I also bought a couple more of those things. So I actually have 2 more, and let's pop one of those in. Let's see what we get here. We have English ADV Sim Auto Run INF. So it looks like different software on this one. Let's open this README file, see what it says. Access port is a port debugger used to debug serial ports. It provides you to send or receive data through serial port. Okay, wow. It's good for Windows 98, ME, NT, 2000, and XP. Our author is this dude. Looks like Tony Zhao. And if you want to email him, you can email support@sudt.com. I wonder if he knows that his masterpiece ended up as fodder for the dollar store. Wow. Well, guys, thanks for joining me. I mean, this has really been a crazy experiment. And off camera, I checked the other disk. It's identical to the one we just looked at. So, well, guys, thank you for joining me today. Coming along with me to discover these compact disc stinky things. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with a friend, leave some comments below, and click that like button if you liked it. And we'll see you next time as we discover more weird stuff.